Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So as you could see, the trading plan that we have prepared in the recent few sessions accurately have been completed by the market. All conditions for a bullish context have been achieved by the gold. So you can see on the daily chart, market first of all has completed and formed the grabber that we have suggested, and indeed that has been formed recently on Friday. Now we have the bullish grabber that's just taken out of the stop. Second condition, also market was able to stay outside of the range of the high wave pattern. That was important. So currently we have the confidence enough to consider taking the long position with the upward continuation. Among the targets we have 23.25 area, which is the next resistance, major 618 resistance level. Potentially it might be the XOP around 1950. It's also possible. Currently it stands slightly above the daily overbought and above the level, but taking into consideration that the market shows good pace, very small pullbacks, minor reaction to the OP, that we have this ABCD pattern, OP agreement resistance, and take a look on reaction on this agreement resistance was relatively small. It's approximately, take a look and calculate this harmonic reaction. You will see that's probably very similar. That was to the OP right here. You can see the same minor reaction, but it was really significant target. So it's agreement resistance, rather strong resistance. As you can see, the pullback was relatively small. It means that theoretically XOP might be reached within a couple of weeks, maybe. While market is coming higher, overbought levels also will creeping higher, and it's approximately, maybe it will coincide somewhere around the XOP. But currently in the first stage we're watching for this 23.25 area that might be reached in nearest time. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not see something really special. This market was able to stay outside of the high wave pattern, as I said, and hit the first level that we discussed. Also, as you could see, we're not occasionally talk about the OP around 1881, and we said if you intend to go long, please care about the OP target and do not place stop above 1880. So you could take the position at 1888, 1889. That was the confidence support, if you remember. Here you, by the way, could see it on the 4-hour time frame chart. That was the confidence. Here is just single level, but in fact this is the confidence area. And if you have taken the long position here, be aware of the OP. And indeed, with the PCE report, you can see this market dropped to the 1882, mostly hitting the OP target of the ABCD pattern. Now we're not caring anymore about this ABCD, because take a look, market here has formed bullish reversal swing, moves above the C point, so this ABCD pattern now is cancelled already. And we are interested only with this most recent upward action. On the 4-hour time frame chart, this is, by the way, we have the bullish reversal bar. So you can see market create the new lows, but closed above the top with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles in a row. So this is bullish reversal bar. That is great. So in fact, currently we have the short-term bullish context, and now we're watching just for a minor pullback for position taking. I would suggest that more probable to see very small pullback somewhere to the 1896, 1907 at best, because this area already has been tested. You see a few times, the major retracement already is done. And another pullback to the 618 level, well, it is possible theoretically, but it has less chance to happen than just a minor pullback. Also, it is not forbidden for taking position right by the market, because currently market already stands in upward action, and well, it's difficult to foresee whether we will get this even minor pullback or not. Invalidation point, as usual, stands below this area. So market has to stay in this range to keep the bullish context. It should not return right back down, erase this rally, and drop below 1880 again. So we can see everything that we need to know for position taking already stands in place. We do know that. Now that stands up to you to make the decision whether you would like to take the long position or not. For taking the short position, well, currently I wouldn't consider it because overall price behavior stands bullish in the short term, and you need to get the clear bearish sign to take the short position. For instance, if market will drop back below 1890, below 1880, you raise this upward rally. In this case, maybe it will be some context for taking the short position. But at the current moment, if you have the bearish view, it would be better to do nothing.